Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg Art and welcome to a new video. Today we will do a special drawing with Goku and the great ape Oozaru. I will try to draw it in the same way like I did with this drawing of Naruto and the nine-tailed beast. There is a beast in any of us and that's what we want to see today. But one more important thing I want to tell you is that most of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. Nearly 75% are not subscribed. That's very weird because my views are pretty low, which I don't understand because I have over 300,000 subscribers. And if 75% of my viewers are not even subscribed to my channel, where are the almost 300,000 people who subscribed? I really don't understand what YouTube is doing to its creators, but it really sucks. So please subscribe if you are watching my videos for the first time and hit the notification bell so you will get notified every time I upload a new video. That way we will keep this channel alive, guys. I'm planning some huge things on my channel this year, so be a part of it and join the community. But enough crying from Tolg Art, let's enjoy the drawing process together. So guys, we are done with a new drawing and I think it turned out pretty good. As you saw, I did many layers with the black marker to cover every part very evenly. I really like the combination of the colors gray and black, and drawings with big black shades looks always very badass. So I'm pretty happy how this one turned out. The original drawing is now available on Etsy, guys. Only this original drawing, no prints available. So be the one and check out the shop and get yourself this unique piece of art right now. I hope you enjoyed this drawing today, guys. If you did, make sure to give this video a like so it will get more attention. Again, subscribe if you are new and comment below if you want to see more drawings like this. If yes, let me know which characters. All the materials and all the links to my social media accounts are in the description, so check it out. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching and I see you next week. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.